The Magic Backing Bot is now live and open to new subscribers. The main question I expect you have is, just how much is this going to cost me? I'll get to that shortly, but if you just bear with me while I give you a bit of a background and explain why a subscription to the Magic Backing Bot will be a very sound investment. If you're determined to succeed and have the patience and discipline to do so, then join us at the Magic Backing Bot and we will provide a steady stream of racing profits over the weeks, months and years ahead. You've probably heard all this before and been let down in the past by systems that achieve nothing close to what they claimed, some maybe being outright scams. I can assure you that won't happen with the Magic Backing Bot. The results you've seen so far are very real, and due to the nature of our selection process, along with our innovative staking plan, we will continue to achieve these great results long into the future. A 39.5% strike rate of winning bets at average backing odds of 3.44. Level stakes profit of 300 points since January 1st, 2010, and staking plan profits of 550 points over the same period. An average monthly profit of 13 points at level stakes, or 23.9 points following our staking plan. These results are 100% accurate and come from live betting only. I promise you there is nothing based on backtesting here, and selections don't come from your usual Racing Post checklist. Very serious and comprehensive form study, including some very expensive software, go into finding each day's selections. Chances are you've been around the block a few times, heard a bunch of sales pitches before, tried out various systems and services with varying degrees of success. If so, you will know by now that most betting systems aren't worth the paper they're printed on. What's even worse, the people selling them know that too and really don't care. All they're interested in is making a quick sale and then disappearing. So why is the Magic Backing Bot so much better? Our selection method. Magic Backing utilizes a selection method that is not based on static rules and not based on backfitted results. There's no Racing Post or Sporting Life checklist here. All selections are found through comprehensive form study using high-end race analysis software, an expensive but extremely valuable investment on my part. So how does the selection method work? Sorry, but I just can't tell you. In fact, even when you join us by taking out a subscription to the Magic Backing Bot, I still won't be able to tell you. Our selection method is closely guarded secret that will never be revealed. If we did, word will travel far and wide and thousands of punters would start using it, which would have a massive impact on the odds for our subscribers, and we just can't let that happen. Our staking plan. The Magic Backing Bot uses a highly innovative staking plan that is a perfect complement to our selection method, designed specifically around our high 35% plus strike rate of winning back bets. Unlike many loss recovery staking systems that increase stakes after a loss, the Magic Backing Bot does the opposite and reduces stakes during losing sequences. Not only that, but we increase stakes after a win to draw the most profit possible out of our longer winning runs, and we certainly have plenty of those. Make sure you take a look at the spreadsheet available below and you see exactly how effective the staking plan is at protecting our bank during losing sequences and supercharging our profits during winning runs. The Magic Backing Bot. So we've covered the selection method and staking plan, but there's one more thing that's essential to the Magic Backing's success and will make the service such a joy to be a part of: our custom-built automated betting bot. The Magic Backing Bot is a beautifully engineered piece of software that will do all the work for you, downloading and betting the selections for you, following our staking plan, and putting your profits on complete autopilot. Really, all you need to do is turn it on. The bot will do everything else but cash out your profits. So what exactly do I get when I join the Magic Backing Bot? When you take out a subscription to the Magic Backing, here's exactly what you'll get. Daily back bet selections automatically bet for you by the bot, following our innovative staking plan or at level stakes, as long as the correct conditions are met. A comprehensive user guide that explains all the bot's function in great detail. Daily email summary of results, and the results updated regularly on the website. Prompt, courteous, and efficient customer support for all general inquiries or technical matters relating to the Magic Backing Bot. Lots of bonus freebies and mini systems along the way. And the most important part, big profits at very low risk, backing horses to win at a strike rate of just under 40% and average odds of 3.44. So there's one big question left here that needs to be answered. What's all this going to cost me? Well, how much do you think would be fair for a service that produces 20 points profit per month or more, complete with a custom-built betting bot that does all the work for you? I know for a fact there are premium systems and services out there that charge you £200 per month or more, but achieve much less than the Magic Backing Bot. So let's take that right down, and how would £189 per month sound? No way, we can do way better than that. Let's get serious here. How about £189 for 3 months access? That works out to £63 per month, and I think that's a very fair price for something that averages more than 20 points profit per month. Note, still way too expensive for us. So here's what we're offering, and we truly believe this is very fair. A 6-month membership for £149. That works out to just £24.83 per month. And I want you to think about this. Even with a small starting bank and using £10 as your base stake, at 20 points profit per month, that works out to £200 per month in the bank. Your 6-month subscription will be paid off completely within the first month, and you still have a decent profit left over. It gets even better, and I'm going to give you the opportunity for some serious savings. The 6-month membership for £149 is just our base level subscription. You can join us for a full year for just £269. That works out to just £22.40 per month, meaning even the £10 bettor could have their first month paid off in the first 2 bets, and the full year paid for in about a month and a half. We're not done yet though, and for those of you who are really serious about making a long-term commitment to success, it gets even better. You can take out a lifetime subscription to the Magic Backing Bot for just £349. Now obviously I can't determine how much that costs per month, but I sincerely hope that for all of you, it works out being very cheap. In all seriousness though, a lifetime membership for just £349. At 20 points per month, the £10 bettor will have paid off their lifetime subscription at the end of the 2nd month, and still be left with £50 or so in profit. And if you're more of a heavy hitter, let's say with a £100 base stake, the first month alone could make you enough to pay for 5 lifetimes. So those are the 3 options, and I'll just run through them one more time. 6 months for £149, 1 year for £269, and a lifetime membership for £349. So there you have it, 3 very reasonable subscriptions options to choose from. I really hope you give it a try, because I know that the Magic Backing Bot will meet all your expectations and more. The rest is up to you, so if you're serious about making a long-term investment that will make a huge boost to your income, and if you have the patience and discipline to see it through, then by all means join us. I look forward to seeing you on the other side and to a long and profitable future together.